This project is about water pollution, and we made this project because we wanted to make healthier and cleaner water because you never know how much dirt is in your water, and we just want to make it cleaner. We made a homemade filter, and we chose homemade because regular water filters can be really expensive and you could just find these items in the store or at home. You might have them at home, so that's why we chose a homemade filter. And right here we have dirty water, and that's cleaner water, and this also right here, you can't really see it, but it's cleaner. Because we just think that more people need to know about this, and in the future, like you said, more things will probably be dried up, and there'll probably be less water and more people, and obviously you can't drink salt water, so you think that having fresh water is better. Yeah, this is really fun. We chose this because we both really like STEM, and like we said, we use water in our everyday lives, and we just think it would be better for the world.